Hey everybody, my name's Aliyah S. If you don't already know, I do natural hair videos. So you guys, I'm gonna try to have a set schedule starting October with theme days. So look out for the promo video, subscribe, hit the bell for a notification. It is coming soon, so I'm excited for that. But today we are going to be finger coiling my whole entire head, and this is the hairstyle that I came up with and I did. Look how popping those curls look. So let's get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button if you like it, comment down below what you think. Let's get on with this video. Let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Bad little boy, bad little boy. I've been wondering about you in my dreams at night. There's something about.
So yeah, we are going to finger coil my entire head. I've never done that. Y'all, my head is big, but I've never done that on my entire head. And I'm also nervous that it's gonna get like tangled and like then I'll have dreads, but we will see. Because no, I'm only gonna have it for like, my cat. I'm probably gonna have it for like a day or two. I'll probably take it out on like, today's Sunday. I'll probably take it out on like Monday afternoon if I go swimming. But my hair is washed. Well, it was co-washed. Co-washed. And this is what it's looking like. Roots need touch up really bad. This is what we're working with. I already know that it's gonna shrink. Like the finger coils are probably gonna be like, but we will see. So let's go ahead and listen to voice over me and do like a sped up version of everything. And then we're gonna get to me talking again. This me, because future me is gonna be doing the voice over. Also, I got a new ring light because my stand, I was just using the stand at that point because the ring light broke. But I got a new one and it looks great. It probably doesn't look that great because of, I don't know. It's great, trust me. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so before we get into that, the products I'll be using are, I have a leave-in conditioner in, I forgot to grab it and I'm lazy. But it's irrelevant. My leave-in conditioner changes, it's cheap, so it's irrelevant. But for now, so I have a leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm also going to be using some oil. I don't know what brand it came off, but this is some hair oil. Don't know. Let me see if I can read it. Okay, it has olive oil, rice bran oil, avocado oil, almond oil, ginger, biotin, and essential oil. Okay, so that's going to my hair too. I have this, I've never tried this. This is by Urban Air Gypsy Hustle and Grow Organic Flaxseed Curl Defining Custard. This came in one of those boxes, those like curly lock boxes, whatever that I used to get that I stopped getting because I'm broke. But yeah, I've never tried this and I'm gonna try it. So we're gonna have this. And we're also gonna have this too because, you know, this just for extra hold. This is Extreme Wetline Gel because I don't have any Eco. And then at the end, we're gonna put this. This is argan oil from Morocco. This is Hask, and it's just like shine oil, repairing shine oil. So I'm gonna put this at the end. Maybe I might put it at the end while I'm doing it too, and then again when it's all dried to make it extra shiny. But these are the products I'll be using, and I have my dimming brush and some hair ties and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so basically I have most of my hair done, and I'm gonna show you how I did this side. And as you can see, this side is the damaged side. Okay, that is still recovering. Look at that. Compared to like these juicy curls, and then this is just like womp womp womp. That sucks, but that's okay, whatever. So let me show you how I did this side. Well, all of this to my hair. So let's go to voice over me for real this time. For real this time. So let's go ahead and speed this up and show you what I did. So here I did a time lapse, and I don't know why I did a time lapse because look how fast I'm going. You can't see nothing I'm doing. So basically what I did was I sectioned off my hair and I did small sections. So I didn't really like part any section. I just took small little really tiny sections and I make sure it was combed out clear, took some gel, and I make sure to like wrap it around multiple times, creating a spiral. So that's the key. You want to create a spiral. So I wrapped it around my finger multiple times, and you want to get that spiral look. And honestly, I should have used more gel because my hair looks poofy in some places because I didn't use enough gel, and so my texture was trying to just pop out. So yeah, use a lot of gel when doing this. And sometimes if you have other type of texture like looser curls, it may look like your hair is going to be straight, but just trust the process. Like these are damaged, but they still will curl, just not as tight and coily like the rest of them. But the goal is to get tight coils because these are finger coils, and you basically use your finger and you just wrap it around like I'm doing right there. And it's nice to use your other hand to kind of hold it down as you are going down your hair, especially if you have longer hair, because you don't want to just keep pulling on your scalp. And also it might create like a knot or like tangle your hair up a little bit if you're just like using that one finger down a long piece of hair. So it's good to kind of pull it out, keep everything nice and detangled, and just one go. So yeah, the goal is also to get a really defined look. That's why they're finger coils, to get a really defined look. And by the way, you guys, I was wearing shorts, so don't anyone try to say like she was not wearing pants. I was, but yeah. Okay, you guys. All right, so this is the final product and hairstyle that I did. I look crusty. I don't have like no makeup on, anything. But hopefully I'll put some cute pictures up on the screen as well because I look crusty. But hopefully I'll have taken pictures when I look better in this hairstyle. But yeah, so tell me what you guys think about this hairstyle in the comments down below. Like this video if you like it. Do not give it a thumbs down, but if you do, comment why. Might as well. But no, for real, y'all, I'm coming with a set schedule. Hopefully in October it will start, and I'm just really excited for it, you guys. I will have like a little promo coming out, type of video for the set schedule and everything, so stay tuned for that because I'm coming strong, hopefully, with the YouTube. But anyways, y'all know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell for notification. You know what to do. Follow me on social medias, share this video, do all that jazz. Y'all, let me know what you think about my hair. I'll insert some videos and pictures, but other than that, I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.